Graffiti can be an eyesore and a costly problem for property owners. Fortunately, Faber offers a range of effective solutions for graffiti removal. This guide will walk you through the process of removing graffiti using Faber products, ensuring you can restore your surfaces to their original condition quickly and efficiently. Before diving into removal techniques, it's important to understand the various types of graffiti you might encounter. Spray paint, markers, paste-ups, and stencils, each of which may need a different approach. Faber offers a variety of graffiti removal products designed for different surfaces and types of graffiti, including the versatile Faber Showroom Graffiti Remover, the heavy-duty Graph Gel, and Eco-Protect solutions for outdoor surfaces. Always prioritize safety. Wear protective gloves and eyewear and do a patch test to avoid surface damage. All right, now it's time to apply the product generously. Make sure you cover the entire area. Then, just let it work its magic for about 5 to 15 minutes. For tougher graffiti, use a soft brush to scrub and rinse thoroughly. You may need to repeat this process for best results. Show final steps with mild detergent to ensure no residue remains. Act quickly to avoid tougher stains. Choose the right tools for each surface and apply a protective sealant like Eco-Protect anti-graffiti sealer to make future removal easier. Faber's graffiti removal solutions are effective, easy to use, and available through Tiling Logistics in the UK. Order in-store or online at tilinglogistics.co.uk.